Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your time zone in Quizlet app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Quizlet app and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Quizlet app on in the screen, where you can see the profile icon at the top right corner. Just tap over there or click on it, and now you can see settings option. You simply need to click on that option, and now you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the time zone. So once you find this option, you simply need to click on the right side and you can change your time zone from here successfully. So basically this is how you can change your time zone in Quizlet app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.